Alright guys, I want to go over a couple things. So, I had a blown fuse on this RTU, and what ended up being the problem is this blower motor is immediately popping the fuse. So to determine that, I was able to isolate it, and then it didn't pop the fuse anymore. But what I did before that, to kind of narrow down what the problem was before energizing it, was I used my Megger at twice the rated voltage, so it's 208. I'm using 500 volts, and I isolated each load one at a time: compressor, blower motor, then condenser fan motor. The blower motor, when I isolated it, had the biggest jump up in the mega ohms I was reading. I think it was about 30 mega ohms blower motor, and when I had the blower motor wired up with the other stuff isolated and everything wired up, it was showing about 12 mega ohms to ground. So there's something going on with the blower motor, basically, is kind of what that tells me. That's it doesn't have as much basic electrical insulation to ground as, say, the compressor, condenser fan motor, and the system's wiring. So I've got my lead for my Megger here going to ground, and then hooked up to the load side of the fuse block here. So anyway, something I like to do when I'm looking for blown fuses, so it works out pretty well for me. Hope this helps.